Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings on the Far Cry Primal game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Far Cry Primal game on your device and you can go into the options menu from the homepage or pause your game and go into options as well. Then from here, you can click on keyboard and mouse in order to customize your controls. Click on customize and then you can remap all of your desired buttons. Go ahead and click on any button that you wish to remap, and once the assigned button turns into a question mark, you can press your desired new button. By following this step, you can reassign all of your keys to your desired one, and then press the escape button to save your changes. After this, you can continue to play your game with your customized controls right away, and you may change this at any point of time by going back into the options and then choosing your desired controls from the keyboard and mouse section. Within the gamepad settings, you have various options such as swapping the shoulder buttons or the trigger buttons as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Far Cry Primal game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.